Hello and welcome. This is episode 96 and we went rogue again, still.
Special edition from VMware Explore.
Yeah.
And we are close to Veeam to recap 100, Rick.
Yeah, I guess that'll be December. We're going to be at episode 100, Maddie. So we don't have any content to share today, but it's all about community. So I got you fresh off of your session. You talked all things community. Give a quick summary. What did you tell everyone about the Veeam community here at VMware Explore?
That was really amazing session. It was a short one. I didn't have the time to tell everything I wanted to tell, but it was great. We talked about ways to engage at the community. We talked about top influencer program, the Veeam 100, and talking about the Veeam 100. Do we have a special guest?
We have actually. Behind the camera, there's two more, and we got one working the camera, and now we got Luciano. Come on in, Luciano.
Yeah.
So,
hey.
One of the members here, Luciano, longtime Vanguard. We're doing the recap here, Luciano. Quick question for you. Back at VMware Explore, formerly known as VMworld, took me a while to get used to it. Really strong attendance. What's the impression from a community side of the event for you here at VMware Explore?
Well, after 2 years virtual, this year physical, that's good to be back. So we are back with the community, and also here in the Barcelona with the Veeam community also. That's awesome.
I know the communities, like one community with another community, it could get weird. No, it works. This one works. So that's great. It's like so many old friends. It's like right back to the way it was. That's great. And you had a session?
Yeah, he had a session as well. It's
Yes.
yesterday, right?
Well,
What
we
was
went
your
okay,
session?
I hope. But it was not really technical, but I think it was okay. It was fine.
Well, and you need sometimes to have non-technical content,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Just to watch out. We're outside. We're not live, but we're doing this in one take, no matter what. But it's really good to have like the non-technical, the softer side of things too. So
Yeah, it was about what the workplace, everyone was working from home.
Yeah.
What we need to take care of the company, security, all that stuff. So I think it was also an important subject.
yeah, try to keep the bugs off of us here. This is real.
Yeah.
Maddie, real quick, first VMware Explore, first like massive, other than the Veeam event, first external community. What's your impression?
Well, Rick, I didn't expect it to be that big, to be honest. I think they didn't expect it to be that big either. I think they were supposed to have like 5,000 attendees, and they have around 7,000 attendees.
More, 8,000 something.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy. But yes, absolutely. It's really an amazing opportunity to meet the community, meet people from like all over the world. I heard so many languages this week, and I got to talk to so many people. I meet new people in the community that I didn't have the chance to meet before. So all in all, great session, great content, definitely an experience to have.
Yeah, great stuff. So we're going to have a link to Maddie's session on the V Brown Bag in the special department set. We're probably going to break the rule next week with content and who's new. So thanks for watching and have a great weekend.